I extend my warm greetings to all of you. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. It is very important day for all the Indians. When a few fellow Indians talk about the fear of losing the basic rights which Constitution has given us. Although we celebrate a Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance when we grown up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us many responsibilities and rights too. We live in democratic country where all the Indians enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have different languages, different religions, and many other things which make us separate, but on the border picture we all are Indians. India is a land which is great example of unity in diversity. We also have many conflicts, many differences, but when we celebrate these national festivals, we all stand as a united force. So we must keep the ideas which are mentioned in our constitution, which are made for our justice, just like liberty, fraternity, equality, sovereignty, and we should not forget the ideas of our freedom fighters and need to implement their ideas in our life so that we could make our nation strong. So let's take a pledge that we will maintain the peace and harmony in our life and must remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. So before I conclude my speech, I would like to say the patriotism is just like a charity. It must begins at home. Jai Hind.